ingredients are bell pepper, white onion, coriander, garlic. So let's put in blender all together and blend until become fine, so it can put in our bottle. We can store it in refrigerator for a long time. So some we have to put in freezer, so you can use until how many months, and for your 1 week using, you can put one bottle in the refrigerator. So we put already all in the blender and then blend it until little bit fine, not smoothie. So it must be like this. So this is already finished. We have to transfer in a bottle to store in freezer or in refrigerator. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. It was Inday Eating. See you on my next video.